You know about this virtual streamer, Code Miko or Code Miko?
You know what?
I don't know how you say this.
Her, maybe 2 weeks.
You discovered her.
Yeah, on YouTube.
What?
Yeah,
I thought it was a
on
Twitch
YouTube.
thing.
She's on YouTube. Yeah. It just popped up.
Tell me what you discovered.
She's a virtual avatar, and she's kind of like played by someone in the background using motion detection or motion like capture, I think.
Yeah.
That's the technology behind it.
This is the new thing. This is the hot new thing, Willie Do.
Yeah, being a celebrity, but in like a 3D.
Yeah, you get to create whatever
Virtual
situation you
world.
want. Like, look at even her background. And, I mean, you get to create the appearance, and look how happy she is, you know?
Yeah.
We can't smile like that. Just make one of those.
Perfect teeth.
Yeah, man, perfect. Virtual streamer, how do you say it? Is it Code Miko or Code? Code Miko feels
know.
weird to say, but anyway. Has been banned from Twitch for a third time.
Oh.
And I'm sitting there thinking, man, you're banning the virtual streamer? Jeez, ease up.
Well,
Relax.
there's someone behind it.
I know there's someone behind it, but still, it seems harsh to me. And it seems more harsh when you figure out why. But I guess Twitch has gotten more strict recently with the banning. People are speculating now why exactly the ban took place. And especially since in the last few weeks, she's been picking up steam,
Yeah.
pulling numbers. And so people are like, just starting to take off. What are you doing, Twitch? What you got against her? So the original speculation was that she may have uttered a particular word, which has now been banned on the platform. It starts with an S and ends with a P.
Oh, right. Can we say it?
I don't
Or are we
know.
gonna get
I don't
banned?
know. I guess I'm scared of that word now because what are you
Yeah.
talking about? You ban off Twitch for that word? I didn't even know. Anyway, the word is simp. I just said it.
Oh. we're
So
done.
I'm banned off Twitch, but I'm not on Twitch, so I guess I can't be banned from Twitch. So apparently that was the first speculation that name was uttered. The other speculation was that she was incredibly drunk during a particular stream with fellow streamer Pay Money Wubby. And that's another thing you're not allowed to do on Twitch. They have strong rules around alcohol consumption on stream.
Oh, but she's an avatar.
And so it gets weird, doesn't it? No, your avatar can't be drinking.
Oh, I'm so confused. Like, is this person like who's playing her
Right?
drinking in the background,
No.
or is it this avatar that's drinking?
These are amazing questions.
Oh,
There's so many questions,
yeah.
right? Because what about a video game? You could be streaming a video game in which
Your character.
a character
is
in the
drinking.
game takes a drink,
Right.
and you're not banned for that. So is this person a person or a character, and how is it treated? And how is it perceived? And do the same rules apply? Right? It's a lot of philosophical questions going on.
Yeah.
But anyway, it looks like Twitch is treating them just like any other streamer. Now that she's been banned, she just posted that on Twitter, the famous meme. That one right there. What is the name of that meme? What?
Pepe
No,
the
this
frog?
actual meme though has a name. I think
Sad Pepe.
no, I think it's the Sage meme. That's what it says in this article.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, it's the frog and thinking or whatever. And the other thing is this individual will probably come back because to be perma-banned off Twitch, you have to be banned 3 times within a 3-month period to rack up the permanent ban. And she didn't do that. She's had 3 bans, but they've been pretty split up. So
Right.
she's probably going to be back.